All right, welcome, guys. So, the next topic we'll be discussing today is Forex digital trading. So, this is where you come to understand and have a good knowledge on how digital trading works and how a Forex robot works. So, with this knowledge, I believe you'll be able to easily work with a trading robot. The next video we specifically detail the installation so you can install it while it is being sent to you. All right. So, what is Forex digital trading? Like I said, so what is Forex digital trading? Like I said in the previous video, Forex digital trading is so different from manual trading, Forex manual trading. And the difference is the digital trading is carried out by software, while the manual trading trades are executed manually. You have to click your phone or click the laptop for you to execute trades. But for Forex digital trading, the software automatically executes trades on your behalf. So basically, what you have there is synonymous to a self-driven Tesla car. And how does this work? It works with already inbuilt artificial intelligence, which carries the information regarding certain commands or programs that are being executed based on a manual trading strategy that was translated into a robot. So a manual trading strategy is being translated into an automating trading software. What we do, we look out for a manual trading strategy and we build a program that will implement that manual trading strategy with very exact precision. Let me comment on that. So we look out for a manual trading strategy and we build a robot, we program a robot to implement the exact manual trading strategy, but with high precision and accuracy. So in this case, the Forex trading robot trades with high precision and very high accuracy. There's also a part of this course that will teach you how to build your own personal Forex robot, volatility robot, binary or boom and crash trading robot for yourself, self-owned, and you can gain the opportunity as well to sell your own product if you want to sell it or freelance. So either you want to give it out freely or you want to actually sell it to your clients. Now, when it comes to the terminology, sometimes people call it automated trading software. It's similar to auto trader. Let me call it the more professional term is expert advisor. And some people call it AI. So most of the time you can see AIs being advertised, or some people call it trading robot, or some people call it robot. So most of the time in this our lectures, I will use the word robot or I use the word AI, and I guess you understand what that means. Now, what are the requirements for Forex digital trading? Yes, there are certain requirements that are needed for you to begin to trade the Forex market digitally or using the software. So basically, you need the software itself. You need the software to be ready, to be already programmed by a programmer, developed, and I don't think you need to go through the process of programming in this course. So we already have an already built software called the Expertroborex V6. Yes, you also need an approved trading account with a Forex broker. So basically, you're not just going to register with a Forex broker, you need to get verified. But not all brokers require verification. Then once you are verified, you need to get an account, a trading account. So it's either you want to use your demo for the period of this 1 week or you want to use a live account for the period of this 1 week. Now, you also need a consistent power supply. So basically, it's a robot, it's an automated trading software. It needs to run 247 because majority of the time your trading signals might come up in the midnight, in the middle of the night. So basically, you don't want to miss those signals. Those signals might help you hit your weekly or monthly targets, profit target. So you want the system to run 247 to maintain consistent profits. This is the advantage of one of the major advantage of automated trading softwares. It helps you to trade constantly in the market, provided those your trading conditions have been met. It will instantly execute the trade. So provided those your trading conditions have been satisfied, have been met in the market, the automated trading software called robot will instantly execute the trade on your behalf, whether it is meant in the daytime, the afternoon, the evening. So you really do not need to sit down and begin to monitor the market and wait for your trading conditions to meet before you take a trade. No, you don't need all of that. You do not need all of that. All you need to do is just to deploy it. Just deploy it, just click a button, deploy it, and it begins to play. Once it's playing, it's searching, it is scanning the market, searching for those conditions. Once they are met, it instantly executes the trade. Once your trading conditions are met, it instantly executes the trade. So this is why it is very, very good. Now there will be a free VPS. Now VPS in this case is to provide us constant power supply. So this does not necessarily give you constant power supply. What it does, it gives you a remote desktop that is always on 24/7. You can leave it for years and it is on. So you can leave the automated trading software called robot to be running on this desktop or remote desktop for as long as possible. This is what we use. We deploy it on a VPS. It's called a VPS. So basically, we always recommend Contable because I've had a challenge where I used a VPS provider and there was a time during the switch between one month to the other month, I think they had to shut down their systems. And unknown to me that their systems were shut down, their remote desktops were shut down, and the trades began to go against us. So the robots could not manage those trades because it was off. This is just the only challenge, and that is why I personally recommend Contable as one of our best VPS provider. And the company has decided to give out one free VPS for this group, and this VPS we host 30 accounts. So we have decided to host 30 accounts for free for this class for the period of 1 week. So you don't necessarily need to buy the VPS for this 1 week if you're part of those 30 persons that will host their account for them for this period of 1 week. Basically, getting a VPS from a VPS provider might cost you between $5 to $10 per month. That is very minimal compared to what you stand to make trading. Very, very minimal. So you might want to do that, or you pair with us. So what are the pros? What are the advantages of Forex digital trading? The major advantage of Forex digital trading is high precision trading. You are able to take advantage of the micro movements of the market. Another major advantage is you eventually avoid human errors, or what I call human emotions. So most of the times people have challenges in self-discipline. They have challenges in proper account management, and this is because of greed. So the human greed makes you to lose money eventually. What do I mean? It might make you lose more money than make more money. Let me give an example. If you made $10 today, $10 tomorrow, and $10 next tomorrow, your greed will always want you to make $500 on the fourth day. This is one of the major challenges of trading. And sometimes you might not be very favorable all day, every day, basically. You might not be very favorable every day. So what is the problem? The problem is on the first day, you eventually want to make more money, and that means you have to increase your risk. You increasing your risk will eventually give you more profit. But what it means is the probability of loss has also increased. Now you will not just lose like on routine, you will now lose more money within a shorter period of time. This is the major challenge. So if you're making $10 every day, it means that your chances of losses between $5 to $10 or sometimes $20 based on your trading strategy. Now, when you begin to target to make $30 a day, you should understand that your risk level has now grown from between $5 to $10 to between $15 to $30 or $40. Now, if eventually you now trade on a very unfavorable day, it means that you now stand a chance to lose up to $30. Now, if you make $10 today, $10 tomorrow, $10 next tomorrow, and you want to make $30 or $40 on the fourth day, you increase your risk level. Eventually, you make that $30. Now you add that up, that comes to $60 profit. Now on the fifth day, you now increase your risk level again to $50. Eventually, you lose $60 on that fifth day because that is just your unlucky day. My brother, you've lost virtually all you've gained in a period of time. This is the major challenge of trading. Greed. Greed is Greed is a major challenge of a lot of traders, and traders have found it very difficult to manage their greed. If you cannot manage your greed, you cannot grow an account consistently. This is the major secret of Forex. Another advantage of the Forex digital trading is unlimited multiple trading accounts. You can actually trade multiple accounts simultaneously at the same time. So as an account manager, it gives you opportunity to trade multiple accounts. If it's 1,000 accounts with different brokers, we know that copy trading helps. But what if you have clients from different brokers? How do you then copy trade? Can you copy trade from one broker to the other? This is the major challenge. So basically, you can actually run different brokers with the same trading robot at the same time, and you're making a lot of money simultaneously. Another very good advantage is constant daily, weekly passive income. It is very passive in a sense that you are not there. You are not monitoring the market. You are not giving your time to the market to execute trades. You are busy going about your daily activities and you are running in constant income. This is why it is very good and it stands a good advantage. Now, it requires almost no knowledge about trading or forex. Yes, basically, for you to use a forex trading robot, you might not have anything about forex. You might have absolutely no knowledge about what forex is, but you're making money off the forex. How? Only forex digital trading helps you to make money in forex, even with zero knowledge of it. You have no knowledge, you have absolutely zero knowledge, but you are making profit. So this is one of the major advantages of a forex digital trading or a trading robot. Now, what is now the cons? The cons of Forex digital trading. The first challenge is improper risk management. Now, there is always an associated risk with trading. There is no business that is not risk related. That's the first thing I want to tell you. And a lot of trading robots are not properly designed in the sense that the manual strategy alone is faulty. And when you now convert or translate a faulty manual strategy into a trading software, you will have the same result. Sometimes worse because the software works with high precision. So it will help you to fail with high precision. At the same time, you can have a very good manual trading system and you translate it into a robot and you are making a lot of badass money. This is the major advantage of trading robots, and also a disadvantage because a lot of trading robots have embedded in it a high risk trading strategy. It's quite unfortunate. So this is one of the major challenge. Another challenge is the users sometimes are not fully acquainted with the associated risk management. There is a unique risk management for every every trading robot, whether you like it or not. I've seen people use a trading robot with a very high risk, and the risk management manual stated something different, and I recommended that a different risk setting, which was ignored, and those people eventually regretted themselves. Now, this is the problem. The problem is you need to be informed. This is the risk associated with your trading. This is the history. This is the trading history, and this is the projected future performance. And you need to be fully aware that history might not necessarily repeat itself every time, but it only has a higher tendency of reoccurrence. So there's a higher tendency that history might repeat itself, but that does not mean it is 100% assured. We have systems that are 100% assured. Yes, I've seen them. We have them 100% assured. And to blow your mind, not every broker accepts such a system, because we are actually trading off the broker, not just the market. It's actually leveraging on the broker's weakness. And later in this lesson, I will explain to you an 100% trading strategy. And the funny thing, it can only be executed by a trading robot because it is a high frequency system. Now, sometimes there might be unexpected VPS shutdown. When you go and subscribe with a VPS provider which is very inconsistent, just know that there might be an unexpected VPS shutdown. And when this happens, I'll blow your mind. The robot is not trading. If it has any open trades, it cannot manage those trades if eventually the market goes against it. So this is a major disadvantage. You really don't want to get a VPS provider that is not reliable and consistent. So go for someone you know that can provide you power 247, provide you a desktop. Even if they want to do an upgrade or they want to reboot their system, they should at least send you an information and inform you, not just shut down your system to do an upgrade without your knowledge, and eventually most of your trades begin to go against you. So this is a major disadvantage and also a challenge. Now, how do you build? How did we build? How did I come about building a forex trading robot? Basically, we have the MQF programming language, MQF5, the HTML for binary.com robot. We actually have an experience with one of them during this lesson today. Then also a more sophisticated programming system might be required, especially for cryptocurrency robots. So do not worry, all the programming has been done. Just relax yourself and enjoy the course. If you're interested in the programming, there's a part of the course that has to do with full-time robot programming. Okay, so let's go to binary.com and have a brief exhibition of how the billion-dollar code works. I want us to go to binary.com. I want us to go to binary.com. This is one of the simplest brokers, but not based in Nigeria. So basically what I want to show you is one of our very good trading robot called the Billion Code. I want to show you how I instantly make 10% profit on spot. 10% profit on spot trading with this robot. So you have a clue of trading robot performance. Alright, if you are logged in, you go to trade and you go to binary bot. And you click begin building a bot now. So please, you have to understand that binary trading is a more higher risk trading than even the forex trading. To be sincere with you, it's a more higher risk. So you need to understand this for those that are willing to use this bot probably in the nearest future. This is not the bot we are sharing. Please don't mistake this as the bot we intend to share today. I've told you we are sharing the Expert Trader V6. Expert Trader V6. So everyone on the channel, everyone who registered and subscribed, this evening you have your copy in your mailbox. Alright, so you might need to log in again. So now you're actually logging into the bot trading server for binary.com. Okay, now we are in. So basically, let me deploy the $1 billion code. I have close to 1,000 trading robots here. Okay. It's called the $1 billion code. It's a unique trading robot. Alright guys, it has been deployed. So basically, I have a lot of money. I don't know about you. I want to just run this for you with $1,000, and let's see if I can make 10% in just less than a minute, basically, or less than a few minutes. So we're looking at making around 10% of that. Which goes to be $100. I think there's a new version of this robot. So after this section, I'll go and trade the new version. This is an older version. The new version, you might not need more than three trades to hit your 10% profit on spot. So this is for the purpose of exhibition, just to show you a clear example of a trading robot. So you can see we are getting close to $80 already. So once we hit $100, we know we have hit our target for today, which is just 10% in less than a few minutes, like I said earlier. Okay. Okay, we are there. So instantly, I have made just 10% profit with 6 trades using the $1 billion code, and this is not even this is not even the advanced version. There's an advanced version to this software, and I'll prepare another video on that. It just needs 3 trades to hit your 10% profit daily. So if you are trading this to hit your 10% profit daily in less than 10 days, you've doubled your account. Less than 30 days, you know that you have quadrupled your account. So basically, this is why robot trading is very, very important. So the accuracy in which it picked all these trades and they all entered is a sniper tool. Once you run this once in a day or once every 3 days, within a month, you cannot go less than 100% profit. If you decide to run this every 3 days, give it an interval, basically. So let's get back to, let me see if I can actually deploy the advanced version for you before we go back to the lecture. Alright guys, there are two advanced versions. I think one has to do with higher precision while the other has to do with higher profit. So basically I will deploy them one after the other and give you an exhibition show of how it works. Okay, like I told you earlier, it has a higher profit. You can see that this one has a higher profit. It's 41 on one trade. So in less than 3 trades, you should be able to hit your target using this one. So on the third trade, you should be able to hit our target of 10%, over 10% daily. Alright, so you have seen that in those 3 trades. So like I said earlier, there is a higher profit version and there is a higher accuracy version. So let's check out if I'm correct. As long I use this trading system, I use them once in a while when I need fast cash. Call it fast cash robots. Alright, let's go back and this side. Let's go back and check out the third one. Okay, so this is the third version. This is the third version. This should be the higher accuracy version. Higher accuracy to be a smaller profit margin because it's higher accuracy. So let's give it a shot. Oh, it's actually the same thing. Okay, I think this was highly improvised for a client then, if that's the case. So this is the systems that you have seen so far, and you can decide for yourself how good it is. Basically, how good is it? You actually give me a thumbs up or you give me a comment on this robot called the $1 billion code. The $1 billion code. Bro. This is, I'll prepare a unique video on just the $1 billion code, a code that I built for close to 2 years now, and it is still working back to back. I'm so surprised how I was able to develop a hack strategy of this broker, and this system has still not failed. I'm even surprised myself, but I decided to add it up to this video so you have a clue that you are in the right place at the right time. That is why when I see people who are exiting the group, I just have to laugh at them because they don't know. This is to prove to you that you are in the right place at the right time. And that's why when I see people who exit the group, I just laugh at them because they don't know that this is the best place to belong. Okay, let's go back to the lecture. So if you watch that video, you observe I made over 30% profit just playing around. using the $1 billion code. So we call it the $1 billion code because it does what a lot of robots don't do. It is one of the major hacks of that broker. And I cash out constantly using the $1 billion code alone. You can imagine what other of our trading systems is capable of doing. So this was to give you a clue of our trading software capacity. Now, next, we'll actually give you today what is called the Expert Trader V6. This is the version 6 of the Expert Trader. It will be active for a period of 1 week. Basically, it will be trading for you, trading Forex market. What do you need to get it? All you need is your trading account ID because we have to lock it to your account. So only you can use it to trade. If you run it or deploy it on a different account, it will not pick any trade. It will just be staring at you. The moment you lock it to an account that you provided us the ID. The ID came from you sent to me, and I lock it to your account. It will automatically begin to scan the market. And once it meets a trading condition, it picks that trade instantly. So this is why you need to send in your account ID, what you call the trading account ID. Don't forget there are different kinds of accounts. I'll do a video specifically on that so you understand that you are not supposed to send me your login ID or your login information into your broker account. No. When you log into your broker account, you register the broker verifies you. You now open a trading account. Now, even if brokers are not available today to manage correspondence with their prospective clients, which you are one of them, you can basically, I will show you how to open a demo account, how to open a demo account with your phone instantly on spot. As you open the account, you send me the account ID. Now, when I'm ready to receive all the account ID, I will let you know. I will throw a message on the WhatsApp group. And when I say start, you will have just a few minutes to go straight to your MT4, open this trading account and send me the account ID because I will only accept. So once you have opened this account using your MT4 on your phone, you will send me the account ID. And when I say you should go and do that, I will give you 10 to 20 minutes to get that done. Now, once you get that done, for those who do not have a VPS, and want us to deploy the robot on our VPS on their behalf, basically what they should do is they will send the account ID and the trading account password. They will send the both information. So once they send it, we'll help them log in to their broker. So you have to identify your broker. Sorry to say, I did not add that here. Broker stroke account type. So I will actually illustrate today how you can open a demo account on your phone and send me the ID login and password details so I can plug to my robot. I will do a proper illustration on that. So you know the information you send for those who do not have a VPS. But those who have a VPS, all you need to send to me is just your account ID. If you already have an existing VPS or you have a laptop and you're not using your laptop, you can basically set up a VPS on your laptop. But the challenge is it is not as good as having a VPS that was secured or brought from a VPS provider. The VPS that is brought from a VPS provider comes with better quality than the free version provided by Windows or Google. So that is important to note. Again, don't forget you have to send me your account ID, only account ID for those who have a VPS already, and they will deploy it. They will only show us their trading results over a period of time. Then those who don't have access to VPS, or you don't have the money to buy a VPS right now, we will provide you our VPS for 30 persons. We mentioned that before, for 30 persons, because it might not take more than 30 or 50 persons at the same time simultaneously. I will show you why. The desktop will be so filled and it might affect the trading frequency at that point in time. So we don't want accounts to clash, or we don't want the frequency to be obstructed in the process of our VPS interacting with the broker's server. Now, you that don't have a VPS, or you cannot secure a VPS of $5, or most persons here can come together as a team and decide to get a VPS, I would deploy it for you today. Now, if you don't have a VPS, just send your account and ID, your account password, trading account password, your trading account ID. You just send your trading account ID, your trading account password, and also the broker type. I'll do a proper illustration on what you send to me, and once you send those information, instantly I'll get you deployed and you start trading on our free software. So thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe. Click the link on your right to subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting free stuff, free tangible stuff required to make you become the next generation billionaires. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.